All right, folks, here today about feeding bees apparently. I got the Bee Smart Ultimate Insulated Cover, so it just has about an 1.5-inch hole. Ultimate bottom board, the robbing screen, that's my setup. Tried different ways to feed bees. I'm not over here as much. I got a couple hives, so I like doing top feeding. I'm not smoking them because I'm just putting the feeders on. I am going to take a peek inside. My cover blew off, so strap your hives down or put the big rock on them or you're going to have trouble. So, but to keep from robbing going on is basically, this is insulated, it has the hole. I went to Menards, got a 5-gallon paint bucket, empties, lined. If you can see, I just punched the holes, I sealed them up. I got 2 more so I can switch them out. It's 1 gallon. Basically, flip it over, let the stuff come out of it. It'll stop and gravity will do the rest. And you can use these all summer long. Even towards winter, people think things freeze, and it won't actually freeze, but you may have to use the smaller cans like quarts or something, or closer to cold weather, use your fondant or your candy boards and that kind of stuff. That's what we're going to do, is just put these on. Quick check of the hive. I'm not going to bother them. I've looked. They was queen right. And as you can see, I can look down in there. This is my package, and I got it late. I'm having to feed these bees. I got it May 2nd. So this is the package of Canolias. They're busy, and I got to get them to 2 hive deeps. I'm here in Indiana. So that's why I'm feeding now. It's June something. So we're going to slip the cover back on.